Packages in Java. Package is a collection of relevant classes and interfaces. It is nothing but a directory. The basic packages in Java are java.language.star and IO operations, that is input or output operations, are present in java.io. Java.util. Package has data structures and scanner class. Java.applet. Packages has animation. Applet is a graphical application. Java.awt package. Implement graphical applications like buttons and menus, etc. AWT full form is Abstract Windowing Toolkit. Java.net package contains networking applications. JavaX.swing package. X stands for extended. Swing is an extended package, depends on AWT package. It helps to develop lightweighted graphical applications. Java.sql package helps to connect to databases. The advantages of Java packages are: Java package removes naming collision. It provides access protection. Java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained. Packages in Java are divided into two types. They are predefined package, user-defined package. And there are three ways to access the package in Java from the outside: import package.star, import package.classname, fully qualified name.